This video will show you how to put the documents that you need for your evaluation in your evaluation folder and how to find the folder. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to Google Chrome. And once you're in Google Chrome, if you don't have this bookmarks bar here, you can hit the three little dots and then go to bookmarks and then show bookmark bar right there. And that'll give you the bookmark bar. That typically is easier to be able to find some of the things that we need to get to today. So once you've done that, then you're going to want to click on Show Apps. And if you're not logged in here, you're going to need to log in to Chrome. And then once you're done logging in, you're going to go to Google Drive. And this is how you're going to find your folder that has been assigned to you. So you're going to go to Shared with Me. But a lot of us have a lot of things in Shared with Me, so we're going to go ahead and just type your last name, comma, your first name, and then just wait a little bit because your folder should come up. There it is. And it should look like that. So if it doesn't come up right away, then maybe a space and then 18. And so we're going to click on that folder. Now we want to put it in a place where we can find it easily. So if you right click on your mouse, you're going to, it probably says Start It. I've already started, so go ahead and click on that. And then you should be able to find that folder in, if you click on Starred, this is the one thing in my folder that is starred, and so that's where you're going to find it. So that's how we find the folder and we put it in a place where we can find it. Second thing that we need to do is we need to put the documents that are needed for the evaluation, go ahead and put those in the folder. So you're going to go to Boone County Schools. And then under Staff, you're going to scroll down to Certified Evaluation Plan. And then you want to go to Certified Documents. So we went to Boone County Schools, Staff, CEP or Certified Evaluation, and then we want Certified Evaluation Documents and Forms. You're going to scroll to the bottom of this, and then we need these two things. We need to put a self-reflection tool, PGP, and we also need to put in our observation summary. So to do that, we're just going to click there. It's going to force us to make a copy of that document. So we go ahead and make the copy. Now our file is called copy of, so we want to get rid of that. So we're just going to click up there and get rid of copy of, and then we're going to go ahead and put our last name, comma, first name, and probably you want to put a year in there. So now we have the document, we've renamed it with our last name, first name, and the year. And then right now it's just sitting in my drive, but we need to put it in that place where your principal can get to it. So we're going to hit this little folder up here. We're going to hit Move To. And this is where the starred thing is going to help us because we want to move it to our starred folder. And so you kind of come down to starred and then hit that little arrow. And there's my evaluation folder. So I want to move it into that folder. Okay, the next piece that we need is we need to go back to that Boone County Schools and we're going to pick up the observation summary. Again, we make a copy and we change our name of our file, put in our date, and then we need to move it because right now it's just sitting in our drive and nobody has access to it. So we're going to move. We're going to hit the arrow back, starred folder, And then we're going to go there, click on the evaluation folder, and we want to move it into this. This just tells us that that shared folder, your principals have access, APs have access to that folder, whoever is evaluating you. So moving it there is going to give them access to that. So really you need to put those two documents in there. When you need to go and do your self-evaluation, remember we were in My Drive and it's under Starred, and then you can open that folder and I can go ahead and select my self-evaluation tool. Everything that we're doing is happening in Google, and you can type right in the form, and that's all you need.